Listen to the relays. Holy shit. And check it out, we got the bumper. Oh, sorry. I forgot. Literally the second you hit the button, the door closes. When the Dover wants to close, the Dover will close, I guess.
That's a cool panel.
Oh, yeah. I wonder what those buttons are. Maybe wait, I think those are armor.
I wouldn't know. I don't know the old ones very well. I don't see them a lot. But...
This is very slightly low on oil. I think, yeah, these might be armor. Because, like, the switches, I'm not going to flip that, but, you know, these switches look exactly like the
run
ones.
stop. Yeah, you never know if you're going to get stuck hitting a run stop switch. Sometimes they don't restart.
Yeah, right.
Come on, why is it not going to focus?
And, like, also, pretty much every other Dover we've been on today of this age has been armor buttons, so.
I don't know what the focus problem is with this. It's probably the lighting.
Literally. Holy shit.
That's crazy.
All right, we'll take it back up to 1.
Oh, is that where we were?
Yeah. Or no, but we can exit on 1.
I don't know why I can't get a focus for this. It's kind of weird.
The classic leveling going up is not as impressive as it is going down.
All right.
Look, the bumper's just like a little bar.
That's typically what they are.
Now it's zoomed in. Big sad. Zoom out. Oh, no. You know what? Okay, are we gonna... No! Oh, wait, I'm like changing how bright it is. What the fuck? Bro, this thing's on drugs. Alright, that's it.